So I rented this Volvo and it's got the keys on a ring, and somebody said just keep on twisting it so I can get them apart rather than try to cut it or find some pliers. So I just twist and twist and twist like a figure eight, and I got them apart. So it's a lot better. I hate it when you rent a car, you got two keys stuck together. If I lose it, I lose them both. So this way, simple. Just keep on twisting it like a figure eight till they pull apart. You don't have to run around trying to find a pair of pliers or anything. You just twist, pull apart. I had a friend, lost two keys, lost his whole set, lost two keys. It cost him $450. It cost him over $600 to replace the keys and get them reprogrammed. So this is a Volvo. This is probably cost way more than that. Worst case, I got to replace one. I don't have to replace two. So I hate that. You rent a car, it comes with that stupid tag, but just twist it, pull it, and away we go. Or you can use a pair of pliers, but this is definitely easier and quicker.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also, visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.